Dear students, welcome to NIEVS Home School. Hope you are doing well at your home. This is Shiuli Saha, Assistant Teacher of English, National Ideal English Version School, Morning Shift. Students, today I am going to take an English language class for the students of class 2. Our today's topic is simple past tense. This lesson is all about simple past tense. So at first you have to know what is simple past tense, but before we get into this topic, I'll share you some examples for you so that you can easily understand our topics. Okay, so let's get started, student. Here there are some examples for you, students. Look very carefully. Now I am reading out it. Yesterday, Shumi got up at 9 o'clock. She washed herself and played with her dog. Then she cleaned her room. In the afternoon, she called her friends and they played till 4 o'clock. In the evening, he visited her grandmother. Students, follow the underlined words very carefully. Each underlined words is action verb. So what is action verb? Action verb means that expresses physical activity. Here we notice that got, washed, played, cleaned, called, visited. Okay, that indicate physical activity and that happened in the past. So students, how can you know that happened in the past? If I ask you a question, when did Shumi do all these activities? The answer is Shumi did all activities in the past. So from it we can know that this is a simple past tense. Okay, student. So students, I am showing you a timeline on the board. Follow me. It is now. Now means present. It is a past simple tense. Here we see now. Okay, student, everything before now is in the past. So from it we can easily get an answer. We can say that what is simple past tense? Simple past tense talks about something that happened before now or in the past and it finally finished and over. Okay, so again I am telling you, students, simple past tense talks about something that happened in the past or before now. It's finally over and okay. Okay, student? Okay. So now, do you understand what is the simple past tense, student? So now, simple past tense is so easy because when we use it with different subjects, you have to carry only one word. For example, I, we, you, he, she, it. It carry only one word, called. It is a past form of verb. Okay. So we can say that I called, we called, you called, he called, she called, it called. There is no difference of verb. Okay. So students, hope you have understood our today's topic. In next class I will discuss regular or irregular verb and some example of past tense. Stay at home and you must practice at home, otherwise you will forget it. Thank you for watching this video.